everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning if we can log into Uber driver account without phone number. So make sure you watch the video till the end to find out. First thing to do is to open a web browser and then type in uber.com in the URL box. Doing this will take you to the official site for uber.com, from where you will need to select the drive option at the top left corner. Click on already have an account sign in option under drive and then enter your email address or your phone number. Now, when it comes to logging into your Uber driver's account or your Uber account, you will need to verify both your email and phone number. No matter what option you choose, whether you choose to enter your phone number or your email, you will need to verify it with a verification code sent to your email address. Simply go ahead and open up your email inbox that you just typed in and then enter the verification code. Once you do that, it'll immediately ask you to enter your phone number or to verify your phone number. Soon after you do that, you will be asked to enter the SMS code sent to you via SMS. Let me tell you that you cannot log into your Uber driver account without a phone number. Uber requires a phone number for several reasons such as security, communication, and verification purpose. Simply enter the SMS code that you received and then only you will be able to sign into your Uber driver's account. That means you will not be able to log into your Uber driver's account without a phone verification. If you're having trouble logging in because you have no longer access to the phone number associated with your account, you can contact Uber support for help. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.